Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get your PrizePicks account back or recover your PrizePicks account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, it's a very easy method, so I'm gonna let you know why that happens as well. Sometimes cause of your location where PrizePicks operates may not be correct, or it is not allowed. That could be the reason. If you're not being able to get your account, if you're not being able to access your account, check your location and then simply reopen your app. You're good to go. If you're still having issues, your account may have been deactivated due to the violation of the PrizePicks code of conduct. Simply gotta contact the support, they will help you out. If in case you have forgotten your account password, you simply want to recover it, then you can go ahead, access the link given on can I reset my password. You can directly simply copy this particular link likewise, and then copy and then paste and search up in another tab of yours like this. Once you have got that, will redirect you to an email section where you have to add a new email to get the code to get a new password. So go to sign in and go to forgot password. If you don't want to go through the link, simply open up your app, go to forgot password. You will get this kind of interface. Enter email address for you to get the code. Once you have added the code, tap on send instruction. You will be able to reset your password and you are good to go. Your password will be resetted, your account will be recovered, and that is basically it. Hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.